Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and enjoy this video. I'm just about to get right into it. Enjoy. So, hey guys, right here, I'm just putting on my facial tonic and my serum before I actually put my makeup on my face. So that's what I'm doing here. And now I'm going to start doing my eyebrows. I speeded up the video because I know you guys don't want to see all of this. It's actually going to be too long, but I'm just doing my eyebrows with a brow pencil that I actually got from the beauty supply store. It is called Top Brow and it's from Kiss, New York. It works fine with me. It's $8. It's not a lot of money. It's not like Anastasia or the Rihanna's, which are good, but this is good for me. And that's what I do with my brows. And I'm just cleaning it up right now. They ain't perfect. I'm not a professional, so please stop. I don't want to hear it. So here I'm putting on my primer. And that's it. My foundation that I use, the foundation that I used was actually Juvia'S Place, and I was in the color Kango, which is 150. And then I also put on, which I didn't even notice that I skipped that part, but I also have on their concealer in the number 12. And then I just put some setting powder on top of that, and I'm just letting that sit. And now I'm applying my lashes. These lashes I actually got from AliExpress. Like, they were like $2, and it was like 10 of them. So I was like, okay. Now this is me just straightening the hair. I was trying to be cool, you know, trying to do it like backwards, but just playing around with the edits for now. Yeah, I know my shirt was open, but you ain't see nothing, so don't relax. Just relax. Now I'm putting on a highlight, which is from Wet n Wild, and my lip pencil is from Kiss. And then this is my favorite lipstick from Boxum, I think, and it's called Dolly. And this is pretty much the finished look.